Check it out, we've got a roller. No steering yet. There's no mounts for that actual shock inside the spring, but yeah, look at this. So yeah, I've still got to here. I've just started here, but it's really noisy. So I'm cutting out some 6mm plate, which will have a hole in the middle for that to go through, and that will get welded inside there, which will hold that in the centre. And then we'll actually have some shock. It's not just spring going up and down. The motor's just sort of sitting on a bit of tube at the minute, and a bit of wood at the back. But that's so pretty much where it's going to go. It may sit a little bit lower. I may end up cutting a little bit out of here for the rack once I figure out where exactly that's going to go. But I'll pull the motor out and then sort of figure that out. But as it stands, look at this. It's a rolling, officially a rolling chassis. So yeah, the motor will still be going back just a little bit. May end up modifying that to come out the inside or something. So the idea, what I've done here, I had a look at a few like sort of Street Outlaws sort of style tube chassis cars, just to get an idea of what to do. So yeah, I put these uprights. This is all will all fit inside the body of the Mini. So I measured it all to make sure it'll fit. So that will come up there. This bar's where all the strut mounts are mounted to. This will get trimmed off wherever it needs to be to fit inside the body, and then that gives me a good spot to mount like a roll bar off to do the roll bar. So I'll throw some photos up of this chassis I sort of was looking at just to get a few ideas. But as it stands, it's looking really good. That's all going to be under the guards of the Mini. I may have to trim just 10mm off that to give it a little bit of clearance. But that will all fit under the guards. And I've still got quite a bit of camber I can dial into the front end, which is good. If I need to tuck the wheels, it's got quite a bit of camber as it is. I'm going to have to brace this back. Everything's just tacked at the minute. Yeah, so the radiator's going to be running in the back, so I'll figure out where I'm going to run tubes all the way down to the back, and I'm not sure where exactly I'll put it yet. Probably, no, who knows? I'll have to sort of get the body on to figure that out. Yeah, so the motor is going to sit a little bit lower, and the transmission. No radiator at the front, so I've got another harmonic balancer. It's not quite as wide as that one. Then I'm going to have my blower pulley there. It should all fit just inside the front of the thing, and should only have to take a little bit sort of out of the, maybe not even out of the windscreen, maybe just a little bit out of the cowl to get that to fit. I might have to swap these around because that'll be hanging outside the bonnet, I think, at the minute. If that's at the back of that one, it might go under. But yeah, it's a chassis. I've got it to roll. Look at that. So yeah, I'm stoked with how it's ended up. There's been a bit of measuring to make it all happen, but also a lot of very technical eyeballing as well. Yeah, I like it. I'm stoked. I don't really know what I'm doing. I've just been winging it. But yeah, it's been working out, so that's cool. And I'll show the steering lock as well. I'll see if I can just set this here for a second. So we get quite a lot of lock that way. And this way is heat as well, so as long as I can get a rack to work in the right spot so it doesn't sort of go over center, so it's got enough travel, everything. We'll see how we go. There's a LH Tirana, Holden Tirana rack that I just had. You can actually see how it goes, and I decided I'm going to run it left-hand drive just for the sake of it. So that'll sort of sit about that width. I may have to narrow it just a little bit, but yeah, that'll work. Left-hand drive or right-hand drive. If I go right-hand drive, it has to sit like that. Left-hand drive, it'll sit like that. But why not make it left-hand drive while I'm going? So yeah, that's where we're at for the minute. It's a roller. I'm gonna have to pull the motor and gearbox out and just weld everything up. And it's happening. So like I said before, just like and share and comment and let your friends know. I think it's a pretty cool project I'm doing, and if I can get more people watching it, then that sort of helps me out and gives me a bit more motivation as well. So thanks for watching so far, guys. Really appreciate the support, and I can't wait to drive this thing and skid it. So there's still a lot of dollars and a lot of work to get there, but yeah, can't wait. So thanks.